To automatically enable driving mode on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra when Android Auto in your car is on, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find mode and routine. Tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode section, tap driving. Tap turn on automatically. Under suggested condition section, tap Android Auto. And then make sure to set it to connected. Tap done button. And then tap done button again to save the change. By doing this, your car Android Auto has been added as one of the driving mode condition. In other words, when your phone is connected to your car and Android Auto is on, your phone will automatically enable driving mode and apply its setting. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.